Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make battered onion rings. So let's get started. I've got here some oil for frying, some black pepper, extra half a cup of plain flour for coating the onion rings, and for my batter I've got here 1 cup of plain flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of soda water, or you can use tap water, and 3 medium onions which I have cut into rings. Cut your onions into 1/4 inch thick slices. Separate them into rings by pushing them out from the center and put them in a dish. If you are having trouble separating the rings, put them in a dish with some water for 5 minutes. To make the batter, take a big dish, add flour, corn flour, paprika, salt, baking powder and garlic powder. Give it a mix using a whisk. Add some freshly ground black pepper and mix it again. Add soda water and use a whisk and mix it into a smooth lump-free batter and put it aside. Take some onion rings, coat it with the dry flour, shake the excess off and place it in a tray or a plate. Repeat this with the remaining onion rings. To fry the onion rings, place a pot on medium heat, add about 3 inches of oil and heat it. Line a plate with some paper towel to absorb excess oil after frying. When the oil gets hot, drop 4 to 5 floured onion rings in the batter and coat it using a fork. Let the excess drip off and drop them into the hot oil. Fry them for 2 minutes on each side or until you get a golden brown color, turning them frequently. Take them out, let the excess oil drip off and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this process until you have finished frying all the onion rings. My battered onion rings are ready and you can serve them hot to family and friends. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.